Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your Jumia seller dashboard and confirming your account verification. This unlocks listing features. Once done, prepare one clear product title, SKU, and the main image. These drive clicks. Make sure to measure weight and dimensions now because shipping costs depend on them. Also set an initial stock quantity and price. You can adjust later. These first steps speed up listing creation and prevent delays when you move into the product detail fields. Now create the actual listing. Choose the most specific category and subcategory because the platform uses that to match buyers. Next, write a concise, keyword-rich title and a clear description that explains benefits and technical specs. This helps conversions. Upload 3 to 6 high-resolution images showing angles and scale. Include one lifestyle shot if possible. Then enter SKU, price, stock level, and choose shipping options. Make sure to preview the listing before saving so everything aligns visually and textually. Finally, publish the listing and select a fulfillment method, self-fulfillment or Jumia fulfilled, because that affects delivery times and fees. After publishing, monitor views, conversion rate, and stock daily. Adjust price or images to improve performance. If an order arrives, fulfill promptly and update tracking. If the listing is rejected, first check required attributes, image formats, and category accuracy, then confirm your account verification and balance. If problems persist, reupload corrected info. Usually that resolves.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.